Alright guys. Alright. I don't do that many of these unboxings, but today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing Dreame X40 Ultra. Now for me personally, I've been looking for a vacuum like this to automatically clean my floors and mop and everything like that for so long. The reason why I've been wanting like an automatic vacuum for a long time is because I moved in with my partner and she has a cat and he sheds all the freaking time. And honestly, we have to clean the floors every 3 to 4 days and it's honestly just super annoying. So this vacuum has so many cool features. But first, I want to show you guys the unboxing experience because when this thing showed up at my doorstep, I was like, dang, dude, this thing looks absolutely amazing and I can't wait to open it up and show you guys. So robot vacuum and mop with auto emptying and mop self-cleaning. So that's something that's really important with these vacuums right here is you don't really see them that often is self-cleaning. The mop is self-cleaning. So basically when it's done cleaning, you know, your floors with the mop, it will self-clean the mop on the actual vacuum itself. So you don't have to go in there, clean it out or anything like that. It would automatically do it for you, which I'll get into that later. So this is the base right here. This is where the vacuum comes home and pretty much does all the self-cleaning and stuff like that. So dang, dude, this thing is freaking awesome. Okay, so this is the actual vacuum in here. And here we go. I think this is my biggest unboxing of all time. Oh my gosh. This has LiDAR. Wow, I didn't even know that. Okay. So here's the vacuum itself. First impressions of this thing. This is my first time seeing this thing in person. It looks very, very high end. That's the first thing I'm going to say about this. So the vacuum, the base, I'm guessing this is all the cables and stuff in this box right here. So we have the mop attachments right here. And then we also do get some floor cleaner right here. Pretty much, this is very concentrated. So basically you add water to this and it cleans and mops your floor and stuff like that. So first things first, guys, this thing looks absolutely amazing. This is the best like looking vacuum that I've ever seen, me personally. My mom has one, my sister has one. Pretty much everyone that I know has a self-cleaning vacuum. And this one by far looks the best quality, feels the best quality. Like this thing is super heavy. So I'm gonna get this thing set up for you guys and then we're gonna talk about it. All right guys, so for the setup process with this vacuum was actually super easy, which I really do like because I don't like super complicated like instructions to set up something. It's just super annoying and I just want it to work. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are like that because a lot of you guys probably buy Apple products and their stuff just works. And this vacuum kind of reminded me of that. That was pretty much all I had to do to get it set up. I did have to fill up a water tank and put in some cleaning solution. And that's pretty much the only setup process that was actually needed to set this thing up, which again, I just like stuff that works. So what's really cool about this is that within the scan, it knows what's carpet and what's not, which is actually really cool. So I don't really have to tell it, you know, this is carpet, this is not carpet, this is what you can vacuum, this is what you don't vacuum. So I like that it was all done on its own. I didn't have to put in any input for this feature. So yeah, the scanning process was actually super easy and it only took about 5 minutes or something like that. And as you guys can see, the cat is wondering what the heck this thing is because this cat has never seen a like automatic vacuum or anything like that before. But after a few minutes, he kind of was just like, okay, this is just a vacuum. This is what this is now. So yeah, while the scanning is happening, you can actually see it in real time on the app, scan each and every room, which I thought was really cool. And you can also change the name of each room as well. So you can just say, hey, this is the kitchen, this is the living room, this is the pantry, stuff like that. And it can know what is what. And I just thought that was really cool as well. So yeah, after everything was scanned and ready to go, we finally took it on its first trip. And let me just tell you guys, this thing is so accurate. Like, it is so amazing how it gets in the nook and crannies and stuff like that. And that is the side reach technology where it actually extends out an arm with a little brush and make sure it gets every single corner. So basically no corner is left with dust and stuff like that. So yeah, these features are, I think, mandatory for robot vacuums. I've never seen this before, but after seeing this happen in real time compared to other vacuums that I've seen previously, every vacuum needs to be like this. Just a normal vacuum, it's not gonna get those corners, and that's really important if you wanna get a spotless clean every single time. So that is something that I really do like about this vacuum specifically. Another thing that I really do like about this vacuum is that the mop actually self-cleans inside of the vacuum hub itself. So basically, once it's done mopping and everything like that, it'll go back into its station and actually self-clean the mops on the actual unit itself. While it's cleaning, it actually gets up to 158 degrees on the mop, so it disinfects the mops and the stuff like that, which again is very, very important. And honestly, I really do like this because I don't personally have to like throw them in the wash or anything like that. It does it itself on the hub. With this thing, there's not really that much maintenance you have to do, which I really, really do like, because if you have a super busy schedule and you have to maintain this thing like day after day or something like that, you're not gonna even wanna use it because it's just a hassle. You might as well just mop your floors yourself, but with this vacuum right here, pretty much everything is automated and does it itself, which I really do like. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is my apartment before the cleaning, and this is my apartment after the cleaning. As you guys can see, it has done a perfect job cleaning up all the dirt and stuff like that, and the mop, it just did so well. And I really do like this because this took a lot of time out of my day to like vacuum, mop the floors every few days, because like I said, we have a cat and he sheds a lot and he gets cat litter everywhere. So with this vacuum, especially if you have a cat, I really recommend this, because if you guys have a cat, you have wood floor or tile floor, you guys know how annoying it is to dust, vacuum, and everything like that around your floors. It just takes a super long time, and having this vacuum eliminates that task, which is honestly more important than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, if you guys want to learn more, I'll keep a link down in the description below where you guys can check out this specific vacuum. I really do recommend it. This thing is just a game changer, and it's going to save so much time for me personally, and that is what I really do love about this vacuum. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, leave a link down in the description below where you guys can see it, learn more about it, and honestly, the best vacuum I've ever had. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I would really appreciate it. If you guys did, please drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.